How to increase or decrease exposure in a photo on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, in here, we open up a picture that you want to change the exposure. Then tap on edit. Next, tap on the tone button at the bottom. And then we go across at the top here and tap on exposure. Now at the bottom is the slider bar. So drag on the slider bar to the left to increase the exposure, or drag it to the right to decrease the exposure. And that is how you can adjust your photo exposure on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Finally, you can tap on the save button to save the changes. And after that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.